Hey, Andrew here. Are you planning to change your old computer? Do you want to keep up with the latest technologies? Find out why this product is the best choice for you.
Dell Gaming 7020 SFF High-Performance Desktop Computer, Core i7-4773.4 GHz, NVIDIA GeForce GT 1032GB, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, HDMI, DVI, VGA, keyboard, mouse, Wi-Fi, Windows 10P, ROFBSSIONAL, renewed. This product is professionally inspected and tested to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, a minimum 90-day warranty, and may arrive in a generic box. Powered by Intel Quad-Core 4th Gen i7-4773.4 GHz fast processor for multitasking, and loaded with 16 GB of RAM. 1 TB SSD of hard drive space, you can store all of the applications, games, photos, music and movies that you need. NVIDIA GeForce GT 1032GB, HDMI, DVI, VGA, operating system, Windows 10P, ROFBSSIONAL, 64-bit. Package includes computer with brand new keyboard, mouse, power cord and wireless Wi-Fi adapter.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.